I just have a feeling I'm gonna crash today. Wish me luck. Everything started off bad. Here's me going the wrong way, even though I've been here many times before. It's a very confusing part. But I did see the cool triumph. Woo! Class 2A, lesson 2 is figure 8, e-brake and bumpy. All the crazy ones, so I'm pretty nervous. But I did make a new friend who saw my TikTok, so that's nice. Then I proceed to happily chop a class 2 bike instead and video the whole thing as well. Like, oh my god, am I blind? Luckily we found out just in time.
2 hours later.
So, did we pass?
Yes, of course! Yay!